Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Open your Facebook like this. And right now you have to go and click on the menu in the top of the screen. Sorry. When you click on the menu, guys, you have to go and open your settings. Click on settings. Next, on settings, you have to click on account center. Click on it like this. Go click on manage accounts and click here on account ownership and control. Click deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook. Click on it like this. And right now click delete account and click continue. Click again on continue, again on continue, and again on continue. And next, add your password and click continue for the last time, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.